New makeup rules! Let's do lip makeup with M&Ms and paint nails with Nutella. Then we are going to eat makeup brushes and put all of your cosmetics into an Oreo makeup bag. Watch new awesome makeup ideas in our video. I've been dreaming of getting this cupcake for the whole day. No fear of extra calories can stop me now. I already imagine how I bite it off, but my friend interferes into my plans. She offers me an attractive EOS cupcake instead of my real edible one. Cut a hole in an EOS bomb so that it looks like the bottom of a cupcake. Mix granulated beeswax and castor oil. Add some brown food coloring. Melt it in a microwave and pour it into the hole. Put it in a fridge. When hardened, smooth out the top layer. Cut a hole for the top of the cupcake. Melt the same mixture but adding a different food coloring. Pour it into the hole and even it out. Make a cherry on the topping in the same way. Add some details using an awl. Draw a cherry stem with black eyeliner. I have a dilemma. The sweet cupcake tempts me, but my heart wants the EOS. It is impossible to resist this creative lip balm. I agree to swap with my friend. I get the lovely EOS, and Blondie gets what she wants. Now, she has a delicious dessert. Redhead has a whole nail fair. There are all kinds of nail polishes here. Choose whatever you want. Would you like your nails pink, red, or green? But Nutella nail polish is the jewel in the crown. We will need brown nail polish. Cut out a small Nutella label. Attach it to the nail polish using double-sided tape. I have never done my nails with chocolate spread. Redhead helps me do my nails. It's so entertaining. Now, my fingers will be sweet. My friend is looking at me, smiling happily. No wonder, because she looks fabulous today. She has some wow lip makeup on. You have no reason to get bored if you have M&Ms. We will do awesome lip makeup. Color your entire upper lip white using a makeup pencil. There is a whole range of rainbow colors in our palette. Pick out bright eyeshadow of the M&M's candy colors. Apply colored spots shaping the candies. Color the entire upper lip with the bright M&M's. Define the outlines using black eyeliner. Paint an M letter on each candy using white stage makeup. Cover the bottom lip with dark red liquid lipstick. Amazing! My friend's makeup is so sweet. I would love to have this kind of makeup too. She should have eaten a lot of candies. But it doesn't matter how many candies I eat, my lips are still pale. She disappoints me. These are regular candies, and she didn't do this makeup all by herself. But I've got something better. It is an M&M's shaped EOS. Melt coconut oil, chocolate, and Vaseline in a double boiler. Stir. Pour the chocolate mixture into an EOS cap. Screw on the grid and add some more lip balm. Put it into the fridge. When the EOS hardens, wrap the container in yellow salt modeling dough. Smooth it out with water and cut it near the container cap. Cut an M letter out of a white foam rubber sheet using a template and attach it to the EOS. I open my Maxi M&M's candy. There is a chocolate EOS filling in it. My friend is fascinated because this is way better than her real candies. It looks and tastes like regular chocolate, and it matches her bright lip makeup too. Choose what's more delicious, sweet M&Ms or sweet EOS with a yellow glaze. What to order? I want something unusual. Tea? No, it's boring. Coffee? It's too predictable. Or maybe I'd rather conjure some ice cream instead of coffee. It should be unusual ice cream, the one I could use. An ice cream bar which could keep my stuff. Trace a metallic box of the appropriate shape and size on a brown foam rubber sheet. Cut out 2 details. Cut the same details out of a pink foam rubber sheet. Cover the box edges with white acrylic paint. Attach pink details to the inside. Hot glue the brown foam rubber to the outside of the box. Attach an ice cream stick. Paint the cool glue white. Cut melted glaze out of the second piece of the pink foam rubber sheet and attach it on top of the chocolate glaze. Add colorful sprinkles on top, and the delicious ice cream is ready. It's a special recipe. I'm going to keep my makeup brushes in it. Such an awesome ice cream will never melt. Meanwhile, my makeup brushes are not that simple either, because I need special makeup brushes for my amazing ice cream bar. Bright and edible. We will need a set of makeup brushes. Cut out the brushes. Separate the top from the handle with a heated knife. Knead white sugar paste, adding black food coloring. Make brush handles from sugar paste. Attach them to the brushes using edible glue. Apply this glue to the handle and cover it with bright sprinkles. I turn the candy my friend is holding into an edible makeup brush. Try it! Bite the handle. It's edible! You can have a snack with this makeup brush in case your makeup takes too much time. And you can correct your eyebrows at the same time. Sweet and beautiful. My friend is sitting on a bench enjoying her Chupa Chups. It's time to prank her. I've got a candy too, but it's no simple thing. Take off a lollipop wrapper. You can eat the candy. We need only the wrapper. Take a ball-shaped lip gloss with a long applicator cap. Hot glue the wrapper to the lip gloss. I unscrew the stick off my Chupa Chups, but there is lip gloss in it instead of a candy. I apply it to my lips. I feel like a candy. My friend is disappointed. Her candy is quite plain. She can't put it on her lips, but it definitely tastes better. Blondie reads an interesting magazine. I also want to know everything about the lives of celebrities and read a horoscope, but Blondie doesn't share the information. Okay, I will distract her with something else. For example, with my lovely macaroon. Make an air-dry clay ball. Press it a bit and cut out a thick cookie. Make 2 identical details. Press a skewer against the edge to make a deepening. Dampen the clay with water to smooth it out and make it more flexible. Make a sponge-looking layer on the bottom using a toothpick. Make it look like a macaroon cream filling. Repeat for the second detail. Join the 2 halves with small metallic hinges. Color the macaroon with acrylic paint of the appropriate shades. Make a hole inside for a makeup filling. Put in concealer. Fill the gap with hot glue. When cool, paint the glue. I prepare a knife and a fork. My trick works! Blondie loves sweets way more than magazines. She swaps with me, but once she scrutinizes the macaroon, she understands it is not edible. There is concealer inside the macaroon instead of cream filling. On the other hand, you can correct your makeup quickly and easily. My friend adores Oreos. She has got a pack and wants to share it with me. There is no need to do that. I've got my own Oreo, limited issue with makeup inside. Cut an Oreo wrapper in half. Cover them with clear tape. Cut 2 strips out of a blue foam rubber sheet. Join them with a white zipper. Attach the Oreo wrapper halves with their tops towards the zipper. Cut off the corners of the strips and triangles at the ends of the zipper. Fold and hot glue the makeup bag. Blondie takes chocolate cookies out of her Oreo pack, and I take lip gloss out of my Oreo makeup bag. My friends will certainly be amazed with this makeup bag, and I will conquer the title of the most honorable sweet tooth. I take a few real cookies while Blondie is examining my makeup bag. She doesn't mind. She allows me to fill my makeup bag with her cookies. Did you like our sweet makeup ideas? Then write in your comments which weird makeup idea you will use. Will you make a cupcake EOS? Hide your concealer in a macaroon? Or maybe you will do bright candy.
Do it! Prank wars, beauty hacks, magic tricks, we got your back. Tips, bring it in. You'll never be bored again. Slime, DIY, always a new surprise. The channel that will blow your mind.